that was 2 rows. Did 1 row going in, and then coming back, you see I did another one. It's all watered at the same time, so I don't have to water this also. So you're not really losing anything on water because it's a perfect water rate. So if you're really limited on water, this is one way to do it. You water it and you dig it, you plant it all in one shot. And I mean, I'm using about maybe $1 an hour in gasoline, and that's not that bad. So it's an efficient way to run this machine. So that's about the end of the video. So I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye bye.